Hello everyone, is Els Gundu Hello everyone, is Els Gundukoop here, aka our Root Racer 56 here, and I'm with Iron Motor Thresher. Sup? And today we're gonna open some brand new 2025 Hot Wheel cars, mixed J case, and fast wagons from Premium Car Culture. So let's get started. I'm gonna go first. Let's try this one. Hot Wings from Fast Foodie, number 5 out of 5, and it's a new model for 2025. Here's the card art, and here's the car. Let's open them up. Oh wait, I'm reading back yet. Let's reading back. Hot Wings. Born 2004, El Segundo, California. Designer Hot Wheels. Bring the heat with Hot Wings. This mouth-watering menace has 4 wheels for impeccable track control and 4 sets of side exhaust to disperse the sauce heat for tire melting and taste bud sizzling speed. Don't forget the side of ranch. So let's open them up. Here you go. Hot Wings. Hot Wheels. Hot Sauce. Level 4. Level 4. Heat. Hold on. ID wheels. Green and red. Like Christmas. Put you right here. There you go. I am more Thresher. Your turn. Let's try this one. 68 Lotus Type 49 from HW Race Day, number 8 out of 10. Here's card art. Here's car. Last time we saw this model, it was in green. It was in green and yellow. Now it's white. That was in red, white, and gold. So let's open them up. Here it is. 68 Lotus Type 49. Number 5. 5 on the side. Gold in front. White paint under it. Very cool. Got detailed engine in the back. Awesome. Good. Boom, right here. Alright, my turn. Let's open this one. Track Wagon from HW Wagons, number 2 out of 5. Last time we saw this model, it was in gray and pink. Gray and neon pink. Now it's white and green, black, and blue. So let's open them up. Here's card art. And also from Hot Wheels Let's Race. So let's open them up. There we go. Alright. There it is. Track D wagon. Mixed wheels. One white, one black. Got green, white, black, and blue. Graphics. Number 34 on the sides. Cool. And I got gray windows. Gray windows. Got black base. Cool. Right here. Alright, my turn. Zinger 21C from Peak Pursuit, number 1 out of 10. Here's a card art. Here's a car. Last time we saw this model, it was in blue. Then it was in Zamac. And then it was in white. Now it's in orange. So let's open this one. Here it is. Zinger 21C. Orange with gray wheels. Awesome. Very cool. Got the tail lights and headlights in front. Awesome. Here. Alright, Ion Motors Thresher, your turn. Alright. Here we go. Drift and Brake from HW Wagons, number 1 out of 5. Here's a card art. Here's a car. And also from Hot Wheels Let's Race. So let's open them up. Here it is. Drift and Brake in a orange color, orange tan color. Got silver rims. Got black stripe on the side. Very cool. Very cool. Awesome. It's right here. There you go. Got the basics. Now time to open the premium. So which one you want to do first? Let's do this red one. Red one? Alright. First we got the Mercedes-Benz E36 AMG. Fast Wagons. Car Culture. Hot Wheels Premium. Here the card art. It looks beautiful. Let's open them up. There it is. Mercedes-Benz E36 AMG. Here it is. Headlights and tail light. Got black and silver rims. Awesome. Cool. Put them right here. Alright, my turn. Okay. 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. Fast Wagons, Car Culture, Premium. Here it is, card artwork. Cool. Let's open them up. Here it is. Sandy Chevelle SS wagon. Got skinny wheels in the front and big wheels in the back. Drag racer. Cool. Tail lights in the back. Livery. Chevrolet Yanko. Oh, it's a Yanko. Oh, cool. Team over Yanko. Sweet. Put you right here. Alright. Alright, your turn. Iron Motor Thresher. This guy. Alright. Subaru Forester STI. Fast wagons. Here's a card art. Here's a car. Let's open them up. There it is. Subaru Forester STI. There it is. Our first ever STI. Forester. Cool. Silver. Cool. And got great black rims. Headlights in front, tail lights in the back. Cool. Put you right here. Alright, my turn. Open the last one. The Audi RS6 Avant GT. Yep. Here it is. Fast wagons. Here the artwork. Is that a mountain? Oh, sweet, it's a mountain in the background. Cool. Let's open them up. Here it is. Audi RS6 Avant GT. Cool newest model. Awesome. Very cool. Got red, white, gray, red, white, black, gray, and red. Cool. Put you right here. Yep. So that's all my haul of 2025 Hot Wheels cars. Hope you all enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe. Peace.